And then the 70 Ford Mustang Mach I, Raven black over black. This thing has worked, and it is good looking. It is miles.
That really
deep.
that stopped me in my tracks.
It really did me too. When that car came in, take that toy away from him. When that car came in, I was blown away. I mean, the paint on it, black paint is not easy to do on a car. To do right, you can do it pretty right, but to get it really right, and this car is really well done with a shaker hood and beautiful. All the cars I picked today are black.